making baby back ribs for my son's birthday today. And it's a really easy recipe, and this is the hardest part. When you get your ribs, turn them over so you have the bone side up, and then there's this piece of sinew, which is like a tough sort of tissue that's on the back. And it might take you a minute to kind of get it started. I like to use the point of a small knife, and it's not the fat. See, I've already taken it off of these two, so it looks a little bit shiny, and it's real thin. You just want to use your knife to lift it up. It's easier to get it started from a bone, on the edge of a bone, and then get a hold of it. It's easier if your hands are dry, and just slowly pull. If you pull this off, number one, your ribs are going to be more tender, but number two, you're going to be able to penetrate the meat with your seasoning. This one actually came off pretty easily. Sometimes it takes a little bit more work and it peels off in multiple pieces, but if you're real patient, it will just come right off, and you want to get all of that off. It would make your ribs tough if you left it on there, and your whole backside would not get seasoned. And then you take your rub and just sprinkle it on, and it's called a rub for a reason. You have to rub it in, really rub it into the meat. And then we're going to let this sit in the fridge. We're going to rub it on both sides, cover it up, and let it sit in the fridge for at least a few hours or up to overnight. And then we'll get on with the cooking process.